Yeah, remember?
Oh,
It got. I
slip.
here, hold it like this,
Did you change
Mom.
it? Change it.
No, I cycled it 40 times. Yeah, but I cycled it when that's okay. It's stripped.
Yeah, just lay it in
Wait a
the
second.
lock position. Then leave it in the lock position. If the down thing freezes under in the air, one side down, one side not.
You're right. So don't. Will you think it'll be okay like that?
Oh, no, yes.
Okay.
You don't need flaps on this.
No.
Uh-oh.
Doesn't have to
Wind.
be right either.
Super windy.
Okay. This could be a calamity. That's